Welcome to Okinawa Christian School International, where faith, learning, and community come together to equip students to walk with Jesus and impact the world for Him. At OCSI, we are dedicated to nurturing students who excel academically, grow as learners, and are equipped to serve. Our Christ-centered approach fosters a caring community that supports students' academic, physical, emotional, and spiritual development.
I like OCSI because I can play in the playground. I like learning with my teachers.
I like OCSI because the teachers are so nice and friends are also nice, and I also love the view of OCSI.
I really enjoy science class. I just like science in general. It's really fun. And then the activities and the classes or the lessons we do are really fun.
There's just so much diversity and variety of there's many people, many different types of people from different places, different backgrounds, and it's just so interesting to interact with these different people and those people with different opinions. And
I like it's international and diverse community, but also I think it's different from other schools because it's a tight-knit community and we all kind of know each other. And I think just having an environment where you feel comfortable with each other despite the difference in grade levels is really unique to OCSI.
Our students are encouraged to engage with local, national, and global communities, developing character and skills that enable them to leave a positive impact wherever they go. We foster a culture of intentional collaboration among faculty, students, and parents, building a strong support network to help students achieve their best. At OCSI, we are committed to excellence, growth, and service, values that guide our mission to equip students to follow Jesus, pursue excellence, and serve others. We hope you'll join us at Okinawa Christian School International.